This is the best impulsive decision I've ever made. मेरा तो काजल स्मज हो रखा था. No one told me. So bad, so embarrassing. This is how crazy the concert was. Is there a voice change? क्योंकि मैंने इतना चिल्लाया है ना. If I go to a real concert. So I'm going to the live viewing tomorrow and I have no energy to record this. I just came back from the gym. I just wanted to drop by and say a hi. So I'll see you all tomorrow. It is also the first day of my periods and I made an impulsive decision and I bought my own ticket. I'm going on a solo date tomorrow. I'm so excited for tomorrow. I searched up all the Pinterest inspirations for dress, makeup, etc. Hi guys, sorry for interruption. I'm Palakshi. I'm from Jaipur. I'm an 18-year-old and I'm just documenting life and experiences. I genuinely love this thing and so I'm doing it. I'm figuring out life. I'm done with boards. I hate NEET but अब मैं उसमें फंसी हुई हूँ and so I don't know अब आगे. I'm figuring out life while you figure me out.
No!
Why am I
God,
saying
please,
this?
no! No!
मेरे से ज़्यादा डेलूशनल, मेरे से ज़्यादा लाइफ के बारे में अनसर्टेन टीन कोई है तो प्लीज़ इंट्रोड्यूस मी टू देम सो वी कैन बी बेस्टीज़. अगर आप वो है then we can be besties. I'm in need of friends. That is another major reason why I'm doing content. I want to make friends so bad. That is why I try to connect with as much people as possible. नीट के 2 साल के जर्नी ने मेरे को इतना दुनिया से आइसोलेट कर रखा था that I have countless friends. If you're that baddie who does not have friends and is a little saddy, so come join me so we can be sad together and we can be double baddies. First option. I'm gonna wear stockings as well. This is it. I have to move quick because that thing is like 30 minutes away. मेरे को जल्दी जाना है. ट्रैफिक में और टाइम लगेगा. I have to be out by 1:40 if the timing is 3. So yeah, I just gotta move quick. It is already 1:07.
해가지고 오늘 부산에서 또 공연하는 거고.
न्यू न्यू फ्रेंड्स आई मेड. तुम्हें ऑकवर्ड करते हैं. तुम्हें ऑकवर्ड करेंगे. नहीं, मुझे भी यूट्यूब शुरू करना जल्दी करूँगी. अच्छा, कोलाब भाई, कोलाब करेंगे. I just came back from the live viewing and it was so cool. I wish I could relive it again. गला फाड़ फाड़ के चिल्लाया है. I did not sing, मैंने चिल्लाया है. I encouraged others to stand up and then आसपास वाले को मैंने बोला था कि चलो खड़े होते हैं ना, हमें देख के ये भी खड़े हो जाएंगे. And then everyone stood up and it was so cool. We were singing, we were shouting, we were cheering. It was so cool. Armies are the best people unless you piss them off. I had such good interactions today. Some girls came up to me and said that I look so cute today. I look so good. That's what they said. And I was melting at the point and I just couldn't say anything. All I could say was, "You're literally so pretty as well. Look at your dress. Oh my god." Like, it was such a beautiful moment. I talked to people and I talked to some amazing people as well. I made a friend जो मेरी एज की है. This is the best impulsive decision I've ever made. I do not regret it. इट वॉज सो कूल टू सेलिब्रेट फिएस्टा लाइक दिस. मेरी पहली एंग्जाइटी थी कि क्या मैं घर से बाहर भी निकलूँ, शुड आई एक्चुअली इवन गो आउट, क्या मेरे को सच में ये करना चाहिए. एंड देन आई वेंट आउट, वन एंग्जाइटी डाउन. उसके बाद व्हेन आई वाज रीचिंग, आई वाज लाइक कहीं मैं लेट ना हो जाऊँ. बट आई रीच्ड एट अराउंड 2:50 समथिंग एंड स्टार्टिंग टाइम लिखा था 3:15. इवन दो इट स्टार्टेड एट 4 PM, वो अलग बात है. एंड एंग्जाइटी डाउन. थर्ड वन वॉज कि मैं लोकेट कैसे करूँगी. आई हैव नेवर गॉन टू द सिनेमा अलोन. I've never gone and done anything like this solo. This was like my second solo date, so I was so nervous. I was so anxious. And so I just saw these two girls in front of me, escalator पे जा रही थी. And I saw इनके t-shirt पे कुछ कोरियन में, कोरियन नहीं, it was Japanese, but भाई बहन डिफरेंस इतना नहीं है. यू नो इफ समवन इज लाइक दैट. एंड आज के दिन अगर किसी ने ये टी शर्ट पहनी, देयर इज़ अ हाई चांस दे आर हेयर फॉर द सेम थिंग. आई टॉक टू देम सेइंग कि आप भी इसी के लिए आए हो क्या. एंड दे सेड येस. एंड देन उनने मेरे को पूरा गाइड किया. दे वर सो कूल. दे वर ओल्डर दैन मी. आई थिंक ऑल द पीपल वर ओल्डर दैन मी. I saw guys as well in there. That was cool. You know, I saw families in there. I saw guys in there. Those two girls, they guided me to my seat and all. They told me everything. And I did not know it was so easy. I could go to the cinema next time myself without any anxiety. I'm so sure of that. And then there was this girl I was talking about to you, my age one. She sat a seat next to me, you know, like mere bagal wali was empty and then she sat to the next one. And I thought कि ये भी अकेले आई है क्या, because I did not see her with anyone. तो मैंने पूछा, conversation strike up की. Her parents dropped her off and yeah, she's in the cinema alone. So I made friends with her ASAP. I had to move away क्योंकि वो उसकी सीट नहीं थी. It was her first time as well, तो she kind of messed it up. I guided her then उसकी rightfully सीट पर. I'm a big sis, you know. मैंने 2 सेकंड पहले जो चीज़ सीखी मैंने किसी और को सिखाई. I'm kind of proud of that. I struck conversations up with so many people. It was so cool. I kind of felt like कि this is the best moment of my life. And I can't imagine when I go to the actual concert ये कितना ज़्यादा fun होने वाला है इससे. That is gonna be like the 1,000 times of this one, I would say. And at the end, there was another girl who came up and said to me, ki, I look really cute. And I was like, no, girl, you're pretty. You're so cute. Your dress is so good, etc., etc. And then I asked her what's her age, वगैरह वगैरह. And then she said कि she's in college and she's from IIT. A baddie in IIT and also an army in the live viewing. Like, baddie, this fandom is full of baddies. I get why men hate this fandom because we are too baddies for anyone to handle. To be honest, the amount of compliments I got today was shocking. Not to be someone with an overinflated ego right now, but I genuinely wasn't expecting so many compliments क्योंकि जाने से पहले I was about to crash out कि मैं भूतनी लग रही हूँ. मेरा मेकअप इतना गंदा हो रखा था. The inspo that I was gonna try failed. कुछ नहीं हुआ मेरे से. It looked so bad on me. मेरे को इतना rub करना पड़ा ना around my eyes to clean that shit up. My eyes were getting irritated. मैंने इससे पहले white eyeliner लगाया था and then I had to remove it because that makeup look, that just did not do well on me today. Some people also said that I looked so much more older than my age. And I get that क्योंकि even though मैंने ज़्यादा makeup नहीं किया, generally I did not do much makeup. All I did was eye makeup, and eye makeup looks a little bolder and वो उससे थोड़ा मेच्योर लुक आ जाता है. There's that, but in the gym where I'm not wearing any makeup as such, वहाँ पे लोग बोलते हैं कि I look younger for my age. I don't even look 18. So hearing that I look older than my age was kind of, you know, a culture shock for me. But it was good to hear that at least I look somewhere around 18. Those two girls, elevator पे, sorry, escalator पे, those two girls, they were complimenting me that I went alone. That is such a big thing in itself. मतलब कितनी बड़ी बात है, कोई अकेले ऐसे आया है, that's so cool. And I was feeling so good today. My anxiety went out of the window. और आज भी मैं ढंग की pics नहीं खिंचवा पाई. Sadly, आज भी I couldn't click good pics. But I you know took the courage to ask someone to click my pics, so that is a big thing for me. But तब भी यार, the pics weren't good. The pics weren't that good, I guess. मेरा तो काजल स्मज हो रखा था. नो वन टोल्ड मी no. इट्स नॉट लाइक आई क्राइड, पर मेरा तब भी काजल स्मज हो गया था अराउंड दिस एरिया. So bad, so embarrassing. This is how crazy the concert was. We got normal Korean version. Chef's kiss. Is there a voice change? क्योंकि मैंने इतना चिल्लाया है ना, my throat is hurting so bad. यहाँ पे जो crazy किया है, if I go to a real concert, मेरे को लग रहा था कि आफ्टर दिस आई विल बी जस्ट फुल ऑफ गिल्ट कि मैंने ना लाइफ के साथ कुछ ढंग का कर नहीं रखा है. माई फ्यूचर इज़ नॉट श्योर, माई फ्यूचर इज़ नॉट सर्टेन, एंड आई स्टिल वाज लाइक कि चलो यहाँ चलते हैं, हु डू आई थिंक आई एम. सो आई यूजुअली डू फील अ लॉट गिल्टी फॉर थिंग्स लाइक दिस. But right now, I'm just full of so many emotions, happy hormones gushing through me. I can feel that. And I feel so good. I don't feel guilty at all. Maybe a little, not 100% not guilty. But yeah, I wasn't expecting to feel so good. इससे पहले I went in 10th grade as well. 10th में था या 9th में था, I don't remember. That is how vague that memory is. क्योंकि I went with these two friends of mine. I cut them off. हमेशा ऐसा एक ग्रुप होता है that falls apart. That was us. And I don't even know कि मैं उनका पार्ट थी भी या नहीं भी. Like, it was just weird. All I kept was recording. I did not live in the moment as much. But this time I'm so proud that I lived in the moment. I did not record as much. उस टाइम तो मेरी स्टोरेज फुल हो गई थी, इतना ज़्यादा रिकॉर्ड किया. एंड दैट टाइम आई वॉजेंट इवन क्रिएटिंग शिट. तो मेरी स्टोरेज फुल होना वॉज लाइक नेवर हैपेंड बिफोर. सारी बस उसी के क्लिप से भरी पड़ी थी. इट वॉज सच अ सर्कल मोमेंट. Except I went alone this time, and I feel so much more better. I networked with so many new people. I made so many new contacts and friendships through this. I will definitely do it again. I need to do solo dates so much more. People really appreciate you for going solo. Genuinely. This is what I have experienced from all my. अभी तक तो सिर्फ दो ही है. There will be more solo dates though. But yeah, definitely don't be scared of it. People appreciate you so much more for going solo, so much more friendly towards you that way as well. And you get to, talk to so many new people. This is actually the best thing ever. I've been an army for 7 years, since 2019. I was around 11, 12 years. It was such a gradual process of me becoming an army. Itna gradually हुआ that I don't remember the exact date of when it happened. It just happened. I am 18 now, and they were a huge chunk of my teenage years. Actually, all my teenage years I've been with them. So I consider them one of the most important parts of my life. Definitely. मैंने बॉय विद लव MV देखी, एंड आई वॉज इंस्टेंटली लाइक कि इनके तो अब नाम जानने पड़ेंगे. दैट्स व्हेन आई फेल इनटू द ट्रैप. आई रिमेंबर ट्यूसडेज मेरे वॉज so much more better because of Run BTS episodes. मेरा एक रैंडम ग्रुप होता था, उनके साथ मैं इवनिंग में खेलने जाती थी. दे वुड मेक मी फील लाइक एन आउटसाइडर, बट आई हैड नो ऑप्शन. मम्मा भी फोर्स करती थी कि बाहर जाओ खेलो. माई मूड वॉज सो शिटी देन. इतना गंदा हो जाता था मेरा मूड उनके साथ रहकर. एंड देन आई वुड कम बैक and I would watch Run BTS episode. They made me feel so much more better. The only reason I sometimes would even get out of my bed was कि I want to see what is happening in the army area, not the army area, in the fandom, what is happening, what are the updates. I was so happy. I am so happy being an army. And BTS makes me feel so many emotions. I feel so happy with them. I feel the grief sometimes कि what if I never make it to their concert and it's too late, the fear, the grief of that. And then also there's sadness कि I promised my 13-year-old self, क्योंकि most of my teenage years were that, so 13 years में I promised कि by 18 मैं उनके कॉन्सर्ट जाऊँगी, आई वुड अर्न मनी, आई वुड डू सो मच मोर बेटर, बट आई फील सैड कि मैंने अभी तक उसे काफ़ी डिसअपॉइंट किया है। आई थिंक BTS हैज़ मेड मी ग्रोन इन सो मैनी मोर वेज। My self improvement journey started काफ़ी early because of that. I used to be such a pessimistic person. मेरे पास रहकर भी ना I would reek of pessimism. इतना bad. I learned how to deal with it. The self improvement journey, the love yourself. I grew up having vitiligo. I hated myself. Love yourself, the idea of that. They brought it to me. Literally, so much credit goes to them as well. To my 13-year-old self, yes, हम concert नहीं जा पाए in person, but we went to live streaming 2 बार, you know, and उनमें से एक solo, the happiest moment, not with random ass people जो तुम्हारा mood खराब करे. The second time it was solo with you, and you met amazing people, you made friends, you talked to people, you got complimented, you did so good. So chill out. 18 seems a huge number, but when you turn 18, it's actually not that of a huge number. Abhi, I don't even know what path am I gonna take because I have no say in it. And you know, as a kid who grew up having vitiligo, मैंने कभी imagine भी नहीं किया था कि मैं खुद को कैमरा में कभी देख पाऊँगी. But the fact कि मैं not only, you know, about seeing myself in camera, I'm also posting myself, that is such a big thing. I thought I did not deserve to dream big. मेरे को ऐसा लगता था कि if I'm dreaming big, then I'm only setting up myself for disappointment in the future कि मैं तो अचीव कर भी नहीं पाई. What was the point? Seeing people like BTS who came from nothing, they inspire me so much. I think I just have to keep going the way I am. Seriously, अगर मैं मेरे 13-year-old self को बता दूँ ना कि I post myself online, क्योंकि उससे पहले I only had faceless accounts that were also fan pages of BTS. 2-3 बार मैंने बनाए थे, डिसकंटिन्यू कर दिए थे मैंने. If she got to know कि मैं खुद की शक्ल पोस्ट करती हूँ इंटरनेट पे, she would be flabbergasted. Her flowers would be casted. And so I'm actually really proud of myself, I would say. I had to get this off my chest. And I think this is the safe space to say all that. I think I want this to be a safe space for everyone. And also me. From the bottom of my heart, I was so happy today. I was so grateful for today. Next up, in-person concert. I will be there. I will make it to the in-person concert. No matter what. सुन रहे हो यूनिवर्स, आई स्वेयर टू गॉड, आपने अब लत लगवा दी. अब आपको मेरी विश पूरी करनी पड़ेगी. ओके, आपने मेरी इतनी गंदी लत लगवा दी कि अब मेरे को ये इन पर्सन एक्सपीरियंस करना है. एंड आई बिलीव यू कैन डू इट. ओके, सो जस्ट डू इट. It's not that big of a deal anyways. Now that I went to this live viewing concert, I have it so much more clear in my mind कि मेरे को ज़िंदगी में क्या करना है. I know what I want to do now. Unfortunately, maybe due to circumstances, अगर future में if I'm doing medicine and I realize this is not what I want to do, I know I can work towards what I want because I know what I want clearly now. We all can do it. Suddenly motivation आ गया मेरे को. We all can do it. Just go out more थोड़ा. Maybe you're not that behind. बहुत yapping हो गई. I think I should say my byes. Bye guys.